Hey yo, yellow, dancehall bomb, bang.
Hey, what am I dealing with? Lex to the complex representing for dancehall bomb. Oh damn, dancehall bomb. Hey, one to them, baddest thing in a dancehall.
Yeah man people, you don't know now. The Maroon Emperor now. 7-star Horus Lewis LB representing for dancehall bomb. You know the number one, you know where stand. Surfer, ever the man, dancehall bomb.
Alisa Epa represent for dancehall bomb. Hear me a stand a dancehall bomb, it's sticky pan them.
The great Buju Banton! The great Buju Banton is here! The great Buju Banton is here!
I know how long they won't take Jamaican people for food for. I know how long we don't sit down and make them shit pound. You have to wake up, you know, because them people don't care about I and I. Yeah?
Greetings, Earthlings. Welcome to another episode of Dancehall Bomb. If you're not yet a member of this fraternity, please like, subscribe, share this channel, turn on your notification post. Whenever I upload the next episode, you will be notified. Now, in today's episode, we have a few topics to discuss, a few articles to review, a few voice notes to review. These are the stories. Now in today's episode of Dancehall Bomb, we have Buju Banton people Mark Myrie with his contradiction, statements, actions, and everything that he has been doing on social media, people. This man has been basically warning the people about the government officials for months, for years, since he's been out, people. I don't know why he's so contradicting people, and to my surprise, Buju Banton was at a PNP gathering, people, yes, rounding up his voters, people, because that's what they're using you to do, Buju Banton. You're a puppet. You're pulling power in the music industry to entertain fans and to get them to vote for that political party. So I guess when you're speaking on your live on Instagram and you're sending out these messages in the public domain, you're only doing it because you're not a supporter of the JLP party. You don't really care about the people because all of them are one, you understand? PNP and JLP, all of them report to the Governor General. The Governor General got England every month go give him report. So one government, it's just division for rule, you understand? But people, I'm going to play a series of clips of Buju Banton for remember the things them when they say, and you can leave a comment in the comment section.
Me Mr. G British I represent for Dancehall Bomb without no apology.
We never come to you and fool you up. I hear some people say, what is the PNP plan? The PNP plan is not to buy you a donkey, you know.
I hear some people talking about key and lock.
In one Jamaica, you have a small set of people swimming in a sea of prosperity. And in the next Jamaica, you have the majority of the people stranded in a land of poverty.
Of good governance in this country. That is what I believe in. That is how I live my life. I, Mark Jefferson Golding, I'm a born Jamaican, son of the soil.
Our Minister of Finance, I tell the people in Jamaica, say a private company named SSL rob up and thief up much money from people like Usain Bolt and all them guys there. Them want the Jamaican people now to go back and pay this private company for the money them and them friend them invest and thief up and laugh up. So I know how long them want to take Jamaican people for food for. I know how long we don't sit down and make them shit pound. You have to wake up, you know, because them people don't care about I and I. Yeah? You don't see it. You have to wake up higher. Them abuse you have to stop. I don't know if it's an attempt for wake you up, for make us say we are fool. But if we not try so, if we not buy for some fool, the store we not buy from, we're going to have to go bring it back. Because that fool that we want to buy no good. Yeah? When you buy a sensible man and think it was a fool, and have to carry it back to the store. Lord God Almighty, if I talk, I weak. But remember, we have to reap what we sow, you know. All man have to reap what them sow. So if you sow good, you reap good. If you sow wickedness, you reap wickedness. If you sow righteousness, you reap righteousness. You're not getting no better than that. You see, people them need economic freedom, they need political freedom, they need all kind of freedom. This man have 400 teachers slated to resign from a tertiary level in Jamaica. So, who the dons already I got dons now? I know them I got mad. We're not a problem. The world, we're not a problem. I don't know. Maybe the market straight this bullshit at all. I don't want everything to go digital, you know. So maybe they might get you like the teacher and replace them with computer. We don't know. But if they replace them with computer, who stand for benefit? Now the guy Bill Gates again, now he want the patent for all computer software. Microsoft. So just generate money for the rich and rich and rich and rich. And poor people just suffer, so. Which we don't have no sense, man. I don't have no neither, you know. I don't want to think me have more sense down, you know. We just have common sense for looking at things. I choose most of the not take the time for looking at nothing. We have to look in at it for now. And these are the roles of those who step up on the front line musically for uplift and educate the people them and even put them life on the line. Because we've been buried alive, so we know what it is to die 1,000 deaths. But this shit you have to stop. This bullshit you have to stop. Yeah? We need real freedom and this social free justice. You say I limit them, you say I rob and I take down the people them, what them call them, I bury them and them thing there. I don't even know if it's something good or something bad, but I see a movement in play. Like it look well organized, like it all orchestrated. I can't say, well, for the man who I give them people their money they ensure, protect on their life. You know, maybe that's a sinister plot as well. So we don't know. But at the end of the day, my people, stay vigilant, no man, and I could get up and lace up a boot. Can't take this no more, you know. I want to know this SSL there. I want to see this building for myself, to rascal. I don't even know where SSL there. I want to see it for myself. To see them location. I want to know why we have to pay them back this money when them never donate to no charity. I have 2 charities. We have to pay $14 million a month, so this government can investigate. And what kind of investigation that costs $14 million to $15 million a month? But the rotted backside is Jamaican people. We're not a problem. We're not deep shit. We don't smell it. I love you now. I don't stay with you too long. I'm going to come for riding up. I come for up on your eye. You understand? The Jamaican future must be determined by good Jamaicans, firm Jamaicans. The future of this nation is at hand. And it's been squandered and our resources are being plundered and the wealth of this nation is being misappropriated. And the people of this nation are suffering immensely and crime is on the rise and it's so terrible. And those who sit at the top, them have the most bodyguard, them surround themselves with the most guns, them surround themselves with the most of everything. They're the common man. Still, from 1970s, the change, what people are making think road a change. We're supposed to have a road from 1980, 1990, 2000. We're supposed to have good road from all them time there. Because a long time Jamaica people are suffer. I just want people, set of people live good in the island and the rest away. I back shit out and hog mouth. But no one talk. Why? The private sector, the school, the teacher, the police. You know? So we need great people to stand up and make them voice be heard. And stop being reactive. And stop thief the resources of this great nation. We have had enough of criminal politicians. We have had enough of people enriching themselves from this great nation while the people live in abject squalor. You understand me? We have had enough. We have had enough of you placing officers on the road to fleece the common man of them hard-earned money through to traffic stop, but you're not paying them a dime. You're not increasing them pay. We have had enough, bro. You know, I now come disparage and cuss and go on, you know, because that is what they want. But let's have a decent conversation that concern the future of this great nation and where we should be and where we are at. You know? Because we're stagnant. And we don't want to make no improvement as a people. We're happy, we talk about things only for a minute and then we turn around and we're back to where we were, even further. You know? We're surrounded by enemies of progress, my people. And until we realize that we are surrounded by enemies of progress, we shall always be surrounded by enemies.
Comrade Buju Banton.
The great Buju Banton! The great Buju Banton is here! The great Buju Banton is here! Comrades!
The rich man's wealth is in the city.
Comrades!
Now people, those clips are just to jog your memory and to remind you who we are dealing with, because it seems as if people don't remember what happened yesterday. Now you see Buju there, people. He's a very contradicting figure. Right there you see on camera where Buju Banton tastes the white stuff, people. You can't use them money as a credible source of information or for no advice. Yes, people, he did. You see him say, fishtail, that means it is good. So if him never consume something, him can't know it if it good or bad. You understand? And you see him round the table and you still want to take advice from this man. Him a warn about the politician, COVID and all of that. You see him stepping up on stage, a pose like Donald Trump, a wave, a shake various politician hands. Him always a one talk about money with them a thief up and all of them something. People, Buju Banton is signed to one of the wickedest group in our life in a rap nation, you know. No can't without coming like it, assigned to the devil himself, people. Buju Banton don't really care about the public. I don't think so, people. Thief never like to see thief with long bag. It's always a pointing finger game, you know. Nobody don't really care about nobody right now in our life. No politician care about them people. All these motivational speeches is just to get the X side of the head or the bell or whatever icon them have down there right now. But nobody, I think, really care about nobody. A politician can only do but so much, you understand? And after the politics season, them gone. Every 4 years, them do this too and I still don't understand. Them a play music for distract you when them done talk and don't remember nothing what them say. But the way them up there just a speak, some motivational speeches, you know, really believes that them care about, you know. And then I learn. Why not ask with Canada work permit and them stuff? They tell them so no one leave out of the country. Yeah, make we see say people leave by hundreds and them way they no start vote for now. Give people a chance out of the country, now have the place lock up. Just to feed people with poverty. You understand? No armed criminals with guns, citizens can't even have a licensed firearm for protect themselves. People on the need to stop follow politics because they will never help you, I swear to God. Them only use these entertainers for getting up a vote because them know say music is a thing with full of influence. You understand? The shame of your Buju Banton. Well, people, I will not change my opinion. If I'm wrong, you can leave it in the comment section and we have a discussion about it and I share furthermore why I am not pleased with this behavior. Now, people, we've reached the end of another brand new show. If you're not yet a member of this fraternity, please like, subscribe, share this channel, turn on your notification post. Whenever I upload the next episode, you will be notified. Now, people, I wish you the best of luck throughout the week. I'm out.